G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's subscription box review time once again, and today I'm going to try this box right here. Treats. Now I don't know what's actually in this subscription box. I thought it was a Japanese one, but on the back it says it's from Victoria. I'm amazed they even let it out of Victoria. Anyway, let's take a look, see what we got inside. Alright. Oh! I nearly cut myself with a knife trying to open it. Okay, here we go. Da, 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 da. It's got some paper on it. Alright, thanks for accepting a box of international snacks. You're more than welcome. Oh! That looks like the Brazilian flag. Looks like Brazilian treats for us. Oh yeah, I do love a Brazilian. Alright. Okay, well. Oh, we got a postcard from Brazil. Oh, that's good. Welcome to Brazil. Well, sweet as, bro. I've always wanted to go there, and well, I can't travel, so explore Brazil. Well, I've explored many a Brazilian before. Alright, well, let's see. What's inside my treats box? Well, it's got a list of stuff here. But let's see for ourselves. Well, I got some torciadas. Oh, they look like little pillows. I got some yoquitos. They look like something with cheese on them. I got some yoquitos presunto. Oh, that must mean ham. I got a whatever that is. I'll soon find out when I taste it. I've got some passatemps. They look like they could have some chocolate biscuits. Now I've got a Diamante. Am I even allowed to say that? I'll probably get flagged if I do. And, well, I got a baton, a banana something, a chiquito. We make those here in Australia. And I got a lacquer. Well, I tell you what, I love to lacquer Brazilian. Well, there you go. There's the treats we got today. How about we try a couple and see what they're like. How about we start off with some of these savoury things first. A yoquitos presunto, the ham one. All right, well, it looks like little shell things. Got that classic fake ham taste. And when you shove as many in your mouth as I did, it turns into a nice chewy treat of hammy goodness. I like these. I wonder if these cheese ones will be just as tasty. Oh, well, kind of tastes like an old pair of gym socks. But if you like that sort of flavour, I think you're going to like these. Let's try these ones next. It's Camaro flavour. I quite like the Camaro. It's a good car. But this one looks like a prawn. Next time I see a Camaro, I'm going to call it a prawn. Even though it says Camarero. Oh, these are like little square things. Oh. Whoa! Oh, mate! These taste like a coconut, like laksa. It's got that seafoody sort of prawny, luxury taste. I love them. I need some more. Oh yeah. Nothing like tasting a nice Brazilian that tastes like prawns. Oh yeah! Well, I've flown through those savouries. Let's start on the sweets. The passatemps. Sounds like something that you try over and over and over again. A past attempt. Now, these have travelled all the way from Victoria, so they're a bit crumbly in the box. They've got a sort of a funny flavoured chocolatey taste that, I don't know, tastes a little bit like, it's not marzipan, but it's that sort of flavour that, well, isn't really my favourite flavour. Now, these are the sorts of things that I would stick in the fridge to eat later on, but it'll sit there for 3 months, and then later on I'll probably just chuck them out. Anyway, what's next? A Diamante Negro. Black diamond, that is in, well, it is in Spanish. Portuguese is pretty close to Spanish. Well, it's just around the corner, really, isn't it? Well, they speak Portuguese in Portugal. Oh, that's right next to Spain. Now, it's supposed to be a black diamond, but it's hardly black, is it? It's kind of, well, looks like it's been sitting in a freezer for like 2 years, and they finally pulled it out because they were going to chuck it away and decided to sell it to me. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really good. It's got those little crunchy little hard bits inside that, on here it says it's crunchy little bits of honey. I can't really taste the honey, but what I can taste is something I really like. Just melt in your mouth, this stuff. Let's try a baton. I'd like to see the police use this to beat protesters with. I think there'd be more people protesting. Chocolate logs. It's a solid piece of chocolate, this. And it tastes alright. Just like chocolate does. Now, this lacquer looks like a white chocolate. One of my favourite things is white chocolate. I love that caramel. That's good stuff. Let's see if this is any better. A little powdery. Nice and creamy tasting. With that sickly sweet white chocolate taste. Oh, mate. I'll be burping that up for the next hour or two. And savouring every breath. Lekker. Now, apparently this is one of Brazil's best-selling bonbons because of its exquisite taste. Well, let's see if it passes the Aussie taste test. Looks like something you'd find in the Aussie bush on the ground, behind a kangaroo. Oh. And that exquisite taste, well, it's sort of like a bit of like wafer with some like creamy sort of creaminess in it, and well, it does taste pretty good. At least it tastes better than a kangaroo's doo-doo. Now this Bananina Parabiuma, I wonder if that's what it actually says. I can't read that. My Portuguese isn't as good as I thought it was. But, well, I sort of was expecting it to be yellow. But it's got that banana's been sitting in your fridge for 1.5 years look about it. And on here it actually says it's made from overripe bananas. Ooh. Chewy. Oh yeah. Oh yum. It was crispy on the outside and then beautiful chewy taste on the inside that sort of resembles bananas a little bit, but not too much. It could be any fruit really, but yeah, that is really delicious. I could snack on these all day. And I'd probably be partying on the toilet all night. Yeah. Anyway, I've got one left. This one here. The right way around, I think it says Chiquito. Now, I'm sure we sell these here. Not too sure about that chocolate on the outside. Looks a bit faded. So it has got that chocolate with like Rice Krispies with a chewy fudge center. I haven't had one for years, and I don't know why, because they taste pretty good. Well, there you go, the Brazilian treats box. That was pretty good. I did like pretty much everything in there, and it tasted alright. If you do want one, if you use Greg's Kitchen, you get a 15% discount. Now, I'm not being paid or anything for this. I'm just doing a review, and well, the review was pretty good, and I quite enjoyed it. Well, if you're into subscription boxes, I hope this video helps you decide whether or not to get them or not. Are you into them? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a box out of Brazil. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review